guys, so today's video is going to be a super quick review on this really nice hair that was sent to me by a company called Miss Here Hair on AliExpress, and they were kind enough to send me a 20-inch frontal, a 22, a 24 and two 26s. And before I start this review, I want to say that this hair is actually so amazing. Like, it is really great hair. But anyway, this hair arrived, I think it was by DHL, I'm not too sure. It could have been FedEx, but I'm leaning towards DHL, so I think it was DHL. And it came within about, I don't know, 2 to 3 days, 3 to 4 days. So the shipping was like decent. It didn't take long at all. I'm in the UK, and obviously AliExpress companies are based in China, so the shipping was quite quick. When I first got this hair, obviously what I did was wash it. Nothing came off it. The water stayed watery, it didn't look brown or anything like that, so it was evident that this hair hadn't been dyed. And oh my gosh, it's so soft. But yeah, it was evident that the hair hadn't been dyed or anything like that because nothing came off it. When looking at shedding, tangling and thickness, this hair doesn't shed that much at all. It sheds like about 2 to 3 strands, so it's not much at all. Just now I got nothing, but the last time I did it, I think I got about 3 strands. But this hair doesn't really shed much. There isn't hair all over the place, and I haven't noticed like an alarming amount of hair coming out in the brush when I brush my hair or when I comb it. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give shedding a 2 out of 10, 10 being the worst. When looking at tangling, this hair does not tangle. I get some snags here and there, especially when I put curls in it, there's a bit more snags, but that is literally it. No matting up, nothing like that. The hair literally behaves so well. Like, I'm talking about hair like it's a child because it behaves so well. But it acts really good, and it doesn't tangle or mat up or anything like that. So I'll give tangling a 1 out of 10, 10 being the worst, because it hardly tangles. Onto thickness. The thickness kind of speaks for itself. This hair is really full, and I didn't even use all 4 of the bundles. I still had like about this much left of the 22-inch. So it is really thick and full. You could get away with making a unit using only 3 bundles from this company. So I am super happy with this hair overall, and I would give thickness a 9 out of 10 because it is really full for straight hair. This is what the end of the hair looks like. Very healthy. I did trim it a tiny bit, but that's literally because I trim all my units, as I mentioned. But even before the trim, the ends were like perfect. There was nothing wrong with it at all. This is how long the hair comes up on me. It's like down here. I am 5'8", and this is a 26-inch. So if you are shorter than me and you like this look, I'd recommend probably getting a 22 or a 24 because they are very generous with their lengths. This is more like a 28-inch to me, and it has been trimmed, so the hair does come super long. Another thing I would say is that the hair had no funny smell whatsoever. The hair smelled and felt great. Like, it's just amazing hair. I just can't get over how much I love this hair. It's so nice. I definitely would 100% recommend it to you guys. I haven't had it in for the longest of time, but from the time that I have had it in, it's been so easy to look after, like super easy, and it curls really well as well. I have tried to straighten the hair after it's been curled, and it does straighten out really easily and really well, so that is another plus to this hair. The seller I've been talking to is also really nice, so I will leave all of their details in the description so you guys can contact them if you're interested in purchasing this hair. So yeah, that is basically my review. I know it's super short, but there's nothing negative to say whatsoever. The hair has been so great so far. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really hope you guys liked this hair and this video. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs up, and if you've got any comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to me, please do, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.